Example problem, section 1, 2. Exponent rules. Here we go. Don't you dare forget our good friend PEMDAS. Keep that in mind as we go. So parentheses, there aren't any. Exponents, better do that first. So don't you dare go 3 times 3 is 9, because that'd be multiplying, it'd be 4 exponents. So this is a problem, 9. This is a problem, 3 cubed is not 9, it's 27. That's, oh boy, 180 and 63, 243, I hope. Let's move on to this one. Well, we got to do exponents first. 9 plus 27. Then we add 36. Pretty simple. Uh-oh, power to a power. What do? We multiply, so we get 4 to the 6th power. If you want to figure that out on your calculator, go for it. I'm not going to do it. Now we have this. Now some of you are going to go 10 divided by 10 is 1, so every problem like this is 1. No. What's the rule? Well, we subtract the bottom exponent from the top, so I get 10 to the negative 2. Wait, not done. That's 1 over 10 squared. Now, if I want to think the way I showed you in the pre-lesson, where is it warmer? It's warmer in the basement by 2 degrees, so that's a quick fix. Let's go to this one. The only thing different is the minus. I almost didn't show you this, but there is a little trick here. 3 squared is 9. Now the question is, do I apply that 4 to that minus? No. If it was 3 squared plus negative 3 to the 4th, then yes, I would go negative times a negative times a negative times a negative is positive. That's not the way it is. I got to do this first. Remember, follow PEMDAS. Subtraction comes last. So minus 81, that's what 3 to the 4th is, and that'd be negative 72. Be careful with the little intricacies of good old PEMDAS. They'll get you. Now, look at this guy. He's screaming out to you, put me, who's me? All of that where I aim. So it's 1 over 4x cubed. Now I go, aha, 1 over 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, and technically there's a 1 right here. We would just multiply those just like these, so I'd get x cubed. Now it's been a while since you've seen this stuff, but I want to warn you, 3 plus 4 squared. Let's just do PEMDAS. What's 3 plus 4? Right, 7. What's 7 squared? 49. Let's experiment with that. What if I squared that, 9, squared that, 16? Does that give me 49? No. Okay, so you cannot distribute this exponent through a binomial or a trinomial if there's pluses or minuses. Just can't do it. So don't square this and think you're all set. No, you have to square the binomial, which means, aha, good old FOIL. And that means 4x, 16x squared, outside negative 8x, inside negative 8x, last 4. Okay, I was worried about time there for some reason. So I'd get 16x squared minus 16x plus 4, and there's my answer. Remember doing those? One more thing I got to show you. Okay, last one. So it says let f of x equal 3x squared minus 4. Find f of negative 3. That's just saying let x equal negative 3. Plug it into the equation defined by the letter f, which is right here. F of x equals this. So technically, we are finding this. So we're going to plug in negative 3 wherever x shows up. So there's negative 3 squared minus 4. Again, PEMDAS. Got to take care of that first. Negative 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 minus 4 is 27 minus 4, which is 23. Now, what did you really find? You found that y equals 23 when x equals negative 3. So that's like a coordinate point. But they just want you to find that. But I want you to see the big picture. So if you were to graph this, it'd be a parabola. How do I know that? Because of this. It means it's a quadratic. Just Want to keep you thinking about that stuff. Okay, good luck on your homework. I think you're ready.